Howdy folks, John from the Jersey Shore. It is January 26th, 2015. We're due for a blizzard tomorrow, or tonight it's supposed to start. And I figured I'd do a quick view of the WinMax. It's spinning pretty quick. Here's some readings on it. Getting some good winds. Here's another gust. It's going like crazy. At first I was a little skeptical when I put the turbine up back in the summer, August or so. It wasn't doing anything, but as you can see, I'm making some good watts today. There's a good storm moving in, nor'easter. So I will be home tomorrow to do some more recording, and we'll see what the wattage is. Let's take a look at shunt C and see what we've been making so far. Looks like 470 watts so far today. Here's another gust. I guess that wasn't that great. But yeah, I tried tightening up my guy wire, but I think the clamp that I have up there is sliding down. So probably I'll just leave it not so tight, and maybe just to help it, if it, just in case it snaps or something, it will kind of pull it back and it won't fall into the yard if that were to happen. But I think I have it pretty secure up there. I just cross my fingers, hope that nothing happens. Alright, so I'll keep you updated. We'll see what happens tomorrow with snow. It's not much on the ground right now. Maybe an inch, if that. Alrighty. I'll talk to you later. Here she goes. Howdy folks, it's about 6:30 at night. I figured I'd do a little quick update, show you the graph on the Mate 3. We're making some pretty good winds here. Let's see, zoom in a little bit. That's the graph on shunt C, and that's showing the wind activity. And moving pretty good. And this isn't even the root of the storm yet. Here's the thermodyne meter. It's blowing pretty good. It's hard to make out that in the corner there. It's pretty much the same though. There we go. There's another good gust. It's gonna be like this all night, I bet you. I'd like to also add that my solar heating battery bank project that Kenny came up with is doing really nicely. It's about 61 degrees in there now, which is a lot warmer than in this room, which is 48.2, and then the inverter here is 55.2. I have a probe that's just sitting on top of the Outback telling me the temperature. But yeah, I don't think it really's changed as far as yeah, it's still at 470 watts of wind. But I like looking at that graph, it's pretty sweet. Alright, so I'll hit you up with some more as we get some wind. And we'll see what the watt output is tomorrow. At least it's keeping the batteries at 100%, which is always good in case the power goes out. Because you know these storms, a little ice storm, knock out some power. But I got the generator if I need. This is great. It's nice to hear this thing swooshing. And this is a high energy 1000 watt 24 at 24 volts for you heaters out there. This actually works. Here we go, here's a gust. Sorry for the bad camera skills, everybody. This is a ancient camera. I've been using my iPhone 4, but the memory's pretty much filled up on that. Gotta get me a new phone in April. Hopefully it's got a better quality camera in it. Get more memory and stuff too. But yeah, this is my little night video. I'm going to come back out here in a couple hours and we'll see what's going on. But it's going to blow like this all night, which is great. Good stuff. Good stuff. See that, everybody? Batteries that are at 100%. If you can make that out. 100%. Alright, be back in a couple hours. Howdy folks, it is Tuesday afternoon. The snow just stopped. And I'd like to see how much we got. I got a tape measure. Let's see. Looks like almost a foot. Almost a foot of snow. About 10.5, I'd say. 11, I'd call it maybe. but probably drift and deeper in some spots. But the turbine's still up there, doing real good. And the sun's out, and I like to clean my panels off. So, walk over here. I can sweep some of this stuff off, make it a little easier. The sun is out, maybe it will melt some of the snow away. Just a dust broom. That's all I should really need, just to get some of the fluffy stuff off. Let the sun do the rest. Good day to wear a heated jacket. Actually have my wife's camo one on. Alright, I'm gonna finish doing this and then we'll see if we got any wind readings in the solar closet. Alrighty, I'll be back in a minute. Okay folks, we're in the solar room now, the day after the storm. And I'd like to see the wind output for today. Because after 12 midnight it clears out and starts over again the next day. So let's see. Go to next, shunts, shunt C, and that is, looks like 180. I know it's hard to make out numbers on this camera, but it says 180. Alright, and let's see, let's go back and see the actual graph. Just curious to see. Shunt C, and that's the graph throughout the night of the wind. It's pretty sweet. Alright. And the conditions in here, the room is 50.9 degrees. The inverter is 57.7 degrees. And the battery bank is 56.8 degrees. Alright, and obviously no sun right now because the panels are covered with snow. And yeah, I couldn't get all the snow off, so so that will be another day. Right now I'm buying from the grid because the batteries need to get a little bit, you know, topped off. But that's about it. That's my blizzard video 2015. I'm on the Jersey shore of New Jersey, over by Seaside Heights, and that is the outcome of the blizzard, which in my opinion is pretty puny, but it's a day off from work, so can't complain. Alrighty, over and out.